This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models, and a warm welcome to issue 25 of building the legendary Kitt from Knight Rider. I believe there's 100 episodes in this, so we're a quarter of the way through on this. It might be a little bit less, some of these do run a little bit over 100, but we'll find out when we get there. This is another continuing part of the engine build, so let's get on with that after we've looked through the magazine and had a look at episode 19 of season 1. Which was first aired in March the 4th, 1983 in America. Doesn't feature the usual sort of mission the Foundation accepts. In the next story, for example, Michael must protect a group of truckers against highway robbers who are stealing their cargo. Interesting. But yeah, there we go. Yeah, 3 more episodes left to record in the hugely successful first season of Knight Rider. Format was now established. Yeah, who's who and everything else. So yeah, there we go. Yes, Heart of the Night from Juice Newton and Whitebird from It's a Beautiful Day. Character profile, because obviously we haven't seen them for a while. It's his fiancée, Stephanie. Yeah, there we go. Things start to get a bit more personal for Michael. Here we go. Actress Catherine Hickland, who played Stevie Mason in Whitebird, was David Hasselhoff's longtime girlfriend. Ah, there we go. In the episode, there's lots of action, as you'd expect, jumping through things and turbo boosts and bullets and stuff and explosions. It happens. Right, in this issue, we're assembling the front right air intake and air intake base. We're then attaching them to the air intake duct assembly. Lots of air in this issue. Basically, a couple of bits being put together with screws, and then that being added to another bit, and then the whole thing being added to there. So we shall be doing that very shortly. The medical scanner is obviously introduced in this one. Science fiction, but becoming a bit normal. It's the sort of thing they might actually do. So yeah, there we go. That's that. Let me clear the bench, get the parts ready, and we'll start doing some more work on the air intake. So all BP screws, no label on that this one. It's interesting. So we need a few of those anyway throughout the build. So I'll get apparently all of them out because that's the way things work. Right, first of all, we're going to be assembling this together like that, putting the cover on the back of that with 2 screws. Fairly easy, and I get the distinct impression that next time we're going to be doing the same again on the other side. So yeah, get used to it. These things often come in pairs, so there you go. So that is that on there. We are then attaching that to here. Which way around does it go? Looks like the big bracket bit is at the top there, so this is going on there that way around. Once again, obviously, BP screws holding that together. There we go. 2 of them. Feels a little bit overkill, 2 screws for this sort of thing, but it doesn't if you can't get them in right. Let's try the other one. I'm at an angle for that one for some reason. That one feels much better. So let's get that in a bit. Let's take this one back out. See if we can't get it in straight this time. That feels better. There we go. So that is that one in there, and that one down there. Okay, a little bit tighter than that. Being careful because it is all plastic, this piece, so you don't want to over tighten anything. 1 more screw here is required for this bit, which has got a little square peg and a round hole, which obviously goes in there. The square peg goes into the square hole, and the round hole is for this screw. In there, and holding that down there. Just like so. Then we need 2 more screws because, as I suspected, we're going to be bringing in the whole assembly here. That is fitting onto there like that, and these two screw holes here hold it together. I am liking it quite a lot. It's obviously all black, so coming out on camera is not going to be its favourite thing to do. But hopefully you can get a vague idea of what's going on there with that. That's gone in there. It's got a little bracket that's obviously going to hold it all together. And we have a start of the air intake system for Kitt. So that's that. I shall see you very shortly for the last of this month's part of the build. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.